find Diana in the wonderful, vivid, super cool 80s.
Diana looks so elegant and beautiful. It was fun to bring all of those dimensions and all that subtlety to it.
You don't get out? No. Seem like the kind of person who's like always out.
Revlon's a very well-known makeup product, but what really brought Revlon to my attention was when we were shooting in Washington and it's very humid, and I knew we were going to be going to Spain and Fuerteventura. I looked at the product and it's utterly brilliant. You can put it on fine, you can put it on a little bit thicker, and it absolutely stays. And that's the case with the ColorStay foundation, lipstick, eyeshadows, so I'm incredibly impressed with it. The gala was a fantastic scene. It was supposed to be the high end of 1984. High celebrities, politically powerful people, and we were able to do these wonderful looks very much of that time. What was great about using Revlon for that was they were able to give us all their old colours. They sourced all the colours that they used to use in the 80s, and so we knew we were absolutely true. Patty, you know exactly what she's looking for, and you're fulfilling her image. And her research was so comprehensive, and her colour tones were great. And in fact, it looks fantastic.